What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with SpecTechular Gadgets, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the GooseBox case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8.
Let's do this!
SpecTechular Gadgets.
The GooseBox case is for both the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8 Ultra. There's a price difference depending on the color that you choose and if it's going to be for the Fold 8 or the Fold 8 Ultra. I purchased this case off of Amazon, and at the time of this recording, I paid $30.39. This case comes in black, clear, orange. Orange is just for the Z Fold 8, purple, and royal blue. First off, shout out to all my Fold 8 lovers. I absolutely love this device. The form factor is everything to me, and I just can't put this thing down. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. First thing I noticed is there's no branding on this box. And second thing that I noticed is this gives me a tourist kind of packaging vibe, if you know what I mean. Tourist vibe or not, the packaging is pretty clean. I like it. The orange and the white, it's a bold color against, it just stands out. Anyways, on the back, we have features of the case, and unfortunately the barcode is covering up the other features, but it's cool. We're about to open it up and find out. If you're one that likes hinge protection, then here is your case. It is going to add a little bit of bulk, but you're going to be protected on the hinge, but it also serves as a kickstand. So if you get your thumb in there and you pull up the kickstand, you'll notice the hinge on the kickstand does have some resistance, but it's all good. This also has a MagSafe ring, so we can use our MagSafe accessories. And I'm simply just going to line up the camera section or the camera bump to the back of the case and just snap it in. So when you do this, and it does have hinge protection, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and pull up that hinge protection like so, and just go ahead and snap in all four corners. Taking a look here on the back, we have 2.5mm raised bezel around your camera section. So this is going to give you camera protection that you want. Also, we have a wide open area here for our fingerprint scanner and volume rocker. The front part of this case includes a built-in tempered glass screen protector. So you have some more protection to protect the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. What I noticed about this case is that I don't see any type of adhesive lining or strips, which is a A-okay for me. And as you notice, I'm just sliding the front part of the case onto the device, and it just slid right on. And again, there's no sticky adhesive or anything, and my whole case is already installed. So yes, your once slim device has added a little bit of bulk, but that's what you're gonna have to sacrifice for some extra protection. So now what I want to do is test out the screen sensitivity, and because we added a thicker piece of tempered glass screen protector on it, and as you see, apparently they say that the tempered glass screen protector is touch sensitive, and I am being able to navigate through my screens and everything without any issues, as you see. There's no way you should have any issues using your fingerprint sensor or the up and down volume keys. This case does not impact the snap open feature. Most of the time, these cases don't offer any inner screen protection, but at the same time, you're not going to have this device open and face down on a surface. One of my favorite features about this case is the built-in kickstand that tucks away inside the hinge protection when not in use. The kickstand allows me to view content in at least 2 different angles, hands-free. And this comes in clutch when you want to use the device unfolded. But what happens if you just want to use the cover screen? That kickstand is not going to help. And so this is where your MagSafe accessories come in. All you need to do is get yourself a little phone grip ring, and you can attach it to the back of the case. Problem solved. Or was there ever really a problem? Check this out. This case has another little trick up its sleeve. This Frankenstein case has a second built-in kickstand. Check this out. So now I can still view content with the device unfolded And where I find this second kickstand really beneficial is when I want to do cover screen viewing.
Oh yeah.
Now that we've established that we don't necessarily need a MagSafe kickstand, I wanted to test out the MagSafe charging with this case. Quick pull to test the strength of the magnets, and they're decent. Removing this case is not as bad as you think it might be. I'm simply just taking the top right corner and peeling the case off. I'm making sure not to touch the inner screen while doing so, and you're really just peeling it off. Use the same care when removing the front part of the case as well. And let me just bring something to your attention. When I first installed the front part of the case, I did slide it onto the front cover, but just like you saw me right now, I can also just snap it on. I was just being a little extra, but you are able to slide the front part of the case on or just simply snap it on. I truly feel like this case is a Frankenstein case because it really has features from a lot of other case brands in all in one package, which is pretty cool. One thing I want to bring to your attention is that this case is not going to be the most grippiest case you've ever had. This does give you a little bit of texture due to the matte translucent texture on the back, which gives you a little something to hold on to. But with this material, it also allows it to be anti-lint and anti-scratch. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.